Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for Warhammer 40,000 Space Marine Error Code 75. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users are suddenly disconnected from the game. According to our research, this error is most likely caused by server instability or ongoing maintenance. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with the router. Simply turn off both your device and router, then unplug them from the power source, then wait for a few minutes, then plug them back in and restart. Then check if the error still comes. If the error still persists, check if you need to update the game. If there is an update available, install it and check for the error again. If the error still persists, check if you need to update the game. If there is an update available, install it and check for the error again. If the error still continues, then try connecting your device over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot and see if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, then probably the issue is coming from the server. In that case, we suggest you wait for a few hours and try again. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.